throwing some pieces and shit. It's just, you guys still feel like getting about there 8 to 2? Let's tie and gag this thing. Wait, man, we gotta fix our hair now, you know? Anybody have an extra drumstick? Anybody got an extra car? You got an extra brake? Jaguar, Porsche. the changes. Don't you surrender what you want to last. In this world of changes, memories of the past. Here in these human days, only the strong survive. In this world of changes, changing all the time. Now's the time, don't let go. Hold on to your dreams. It's okay for you to cry. No one's watching you. But when it's over, time to get on with the changes. Time waits for no one. Find your space. If you leave it boy, you're gonna lose your place. Now's the time. Don't let go. Hold on to your dreams. It's okay for you to cry. No one's watching you. But when it's over, time to get on with the changes. Hold on to your dreams. Lost in a world of changes. You don't have to be afraid. It's time now to turn the pages. On to the dreams you made. So if you fly, I see it in your eyes. All with the changes. And the styles you wear, the color of your hair. All with the changes. Given this human days, only the strong survive. In this world of changes, so it's great to be alive. Now's the time, don't let go. Hold on to your dreams. It's okay for you to cry. No one's watching you. But when it's over, time to get on with the changes. Hold on to your dreams. On with the changes. On with the changes. On with the changes. You just walk away. Oh, what you doing laying on the floor, man? What are you doing laying on the floor? You just walk away. I can be your friend on a long, cold night. I can hold you in my arms, I can make you feel alright. Come on, baby, why you won't treat me this way? Come on, baby, why you won't treat me this way? You say you're sorry, I don't believe it's true. You say it's up to me, but I know it's up to you. Tell me you don't care, well, what am I supposed to say? Tell me that you're leaving, you just walk away. just a child. Never so loud. You know, a lot of that, man.
Every time you get to the side of the bike stand, or stand straight in front of it, you get to hold the car. If you move over a little bit, he's missing the car. So
Hey, you should start it all over. That shit you got was all bad. The parts where we tripped over each other and shit.
every time you move over them, I know I always have that problem. Yeah, it's not the car. So this is not even. You can't get any more.
How you doing?
Drumstick on you? Drumstick on you?
You're a one-handed drummer.
Hey, let's get 3 good tunes right now. Right in a row.
Oh, that's okay. As long as you remember to try to get right dead center of that mic.
You guys know when you're on the way?
No.
Let's do Big City and Motion to Be Run. You want to do that new one? What about now? Start with. Chance to live in the danger zone. Alone about to call a child. No, they're all. We're on the spot. We're fucking up.
Great. Right in the middle of my drum part, I break a plastic.
Oh.
Scrapbook time. This is great.
That's about it, doing anything. We're sitting here for about 4, no, about 3 hours.